Sorry, my video got cut short by an alarm. Looks like the car's doing a lot better with the clutch in though. I'm not sure if there's a difference or if it's just a coincidence. Maybe the second start is just better. I mean, I don't know. Maybe I'll let the clutch out right now and just see if it makes any difference. Alright, clutch is out. Struggling a little bit there. Seems like it's doing alright. If you noticed in the very beginning of the video when I started it, the car was cranking for quite a bit, maybe 2 or 3 seconds, and then it very barely started, I guess. I don't know what how to describe that. I'm sure you noticed it. Alright, looks like it's gonna stay on, so I'm gonna end the video.